Hello and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So in this video here I want to show you how to easily water your soil blocks. And I have a tray under here that doesn't have any holes in it. And these here are what the solid trays look like here. And these here are what the daisy trays look like here that I use. Because there are some sizes that do not actually fit into these trays here, so you do want to make sure that you take your measurements to make sure that everything's going to fit before you go ahead and buy your stuff. And then I sat a tray like this inside of it that has all the holes in it, and this is how I have all of my seedlings sitting. And you can just simply take your watering can, pour some water in the sides here. Make sure it gets the whole way to the back of your tray back there. And I'm going to let these soak the water up from the bottom. And then what I will do is I will pull this tray here out and I'll just empty the water that's left over in this tray on the bottom. I've seen people, when they do their soil blocks, you can see these right here, they're already starting to soak the water up because you can see the color starting to change on them. But I've seen people, when they do their soil blocks, they put them in a flat tray and they try and actually dump the water off of them. That is something that I do not recommend doing. I tried it last year and I wound up dumping my seedlings on the floor, which resulted in broken seedlings and the soil blocks being broken, and it turned out to be a huge mess. So this year I went with a completely different method. It's working very well for me and should be really easy and simple for you to do. These trays here are Ferry Morris. I got the solid trays are Ferry Morris, and the trays that I put my soil blocks in, that I sit inside of the Ferry Morris trays, are what they call daisy trays. And there's different sizes. You can go ahead and line your sizes up for your daisy trays to make sure that it will actually fit in your water holding tray. And you can see these here, they've already soaked the moisture up there. So I'm going to pull this out. I'll dump the water off then, because it looks like they've pretty much all soaked up all the water there. And this is really a simple method here for watering these. I don't have the soil blocks breaking apart. I'm not dumping anything out on the floor. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.